Hello friends, peace be upon you. When we are working with tools, so we see a video preview of the tool. Sometimes it bothers us, disturbs. On this tool, its preview is visible. If you click on the next tool, its preview is visible. It disturbs while working. Similarly, when we come to these tools, their preview is visible, which disturbs us. There is a way to disable it. Let's get started. To do this, open Photoshop Preferences. If you press Ctrl+K, Photoshop Preferences will open. And the other way is this. Go to Edit Preferences Tools. Here you can see Show Rich Tooltips. Uncheck it and hit OK. You will no longer see the video preview, but you still see in the text that it is Move Tool, and the shortcut is written V. Below Rectangular Marquee Tool with M shortcut. If you want to disable it too. If this text also disturbs you, it is written Lasso Tool and its shortcut is L. Again, go to Edit Preferences Tools. Uncheck Show Tooltips and hit OK. Video preview and text of any tool will no longer be visible. I think if up Show Tooltips, keep checking. It's best to have text. This text comes in handy when we create tutorials. As if taking the brush tool, its text, and its shortcut will also be visible. That is, if you press B, the brush tool will be selected. Here's a little tip regarding video previews that are annoying. This is a small tutorial in this regard. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.